How to make money fast online, just starting out. Hey, do you want to make some money and you need to make it like right now? You want to make your money right now? I totally get it. That's what this video is about. It's about making money quick. So let's get started. Hey, I'm JR Fisher. Thank you for coming to my channel and watching this video. I've been selling online since 2009, sold millions of dollars of both digital and physical products, and on this channel I share with you the tips, tricks, and techniques that you will need to sell products online. So I hope you will give me some feedback, give me some questions, put some comments down there, because this is your channel. This is the channel you can come to get the resources, the tools you need to help you make money online. Now if you're just starting out, I also want to share with you a story about how I even got involved in this, because it was kind of a crazy thing. I only had $100 and I made a lot of money, but I'm going to save that to the end and let you know how I actually got started selling online. Now the first thing I'm going to tell you to do, if you want to start right away and you don't have money for inventory and you don't have space to store things and you want to sell, let's say, physical products, dropshipping. It's awesome, and it's so simple nowadays to do dropshipping. Now it doesn't take you long to look around and find some real success stories in dropshipping. The way it's set up nowadays, most people will use a Shopify store and they will integrate it with AliExpress, and they can sell items they don't even own. Now you don't have to use AliExpress. I know some people say, well, I don't want to sell products from China. There's some really good products from China, there's some really bad products from China. You know, you just got to do your research to know what you're doing. But you can also find drop shippers in the US. You can also find companies that will actually ship it out for you in the US, so you don't have to do it. That's what they do at AliExpress. They ship it to the customer, you sell it, you collect your money, they get it from them. Now here's a little graphic on the screen right now. You can see the drop ship model right here. Starts with number one. The customer places their order. Okay, they pay you retail price, let's say $200. They forward the order to your supplier and you pay the wholesale of, let's say, $150. The supplier in turn will ship it out to your customer and you keep the $50 profit. It's really a process that is that simple. The next thing I'm going to tell you that you can do that costs you no investment is print on demand. It's known as POD. There's plenty of companies that can do this for you. You can do t-shirts, you can do hats, you can do mugs, you can do sheets, and the way it works is you put the designs out there. You can put them on social media, you can run ads for them, you can do whatever you want, but you put the designs out there, and when they buy it, it goes to your POD company, and that product is then printed, it is then packaged, it's shipped out. You pay your cost for it, they pay the retail price, and you keep the difference. No inventory. You could do this from anywhere. You can do this from your local coffee shop. Anywhere you have a internet connection, you can run a print on demand company with zero inventory and zero cost. The next way you can make money online is with affiliate marketing. Now I had no clue about affiliate marketing, didn't know anything about it, and now that I've gotten involved in it, I love it. I have affiliates that sell my products, and I guess I always did for my survival food company. I didn't call them affiliates, I called them retailers. I called them, I don't know, whatever name I had picked out that day is what I called them. But they would actually put my products on their site. They didn't buy the products, they just put them on their site, and then they would sell it to a customer, and then they would come to me and give me the order, and I would ship it out, and they would pay me the cost to them, which was lower than the retail cost to the customer, and I would ship it out to the customer. So I essentially was the affiliate. They were the affiliate marketers. That's one way to do it, but you can do this affiliate marketing many different ways. I have courses on ClickBank, and I have affiliates that sell those courses. I pay 50% commission, so when they sell a $997 course, they're getting almost $500, which is pretty darn good. And then there's lower level affiliate things where you can just go to Amazon. You can sign up for an affiliate link, get your account set up, and then you can actually get links for whatever you want on Amazon. Put that on your web page, put that on your videos, put that in your Twitter feed, put that on Facebook, whatever you want to do, and you can get money from Amazon. Now if you look in the bottom of this video in the description when we get done, you'll notice affiliate links down there for Amazon on a lot of the products I'm using, lights, cameras, all that kind of stuff. And by using those links, when you go there, you get cookied. It doesn't cost you any more if you use my link than if you went directly to Amazon, but they pay me a small percentage, a few percentage points, not a lot, but it's extra, it's more. And as I do more and more videos and I put more and more links and I have more and more traffic, then that builds. So that's another way you can make money without any investment, is through affiliate links. The next thing you can do is do what I'm doing right now. Start a YouTube channel. Start a YouTube channel. There's so much money to be made on YouTube. It is a lot of work, and I'll tell you, making money on YouTube is going to take you longer than the other things I've already mentioned. However, it's going to be more sustainable, and what I mean by that is your videos are going to be there forever. Okay, as long as YouTube's around. I don't know how long that's going to be, but they seem like they're going to be around for a while. And as you make videos on YouTube, there's several ways to make money. Now everybody thinks, well, I'll make money on ads. They'll run ads on my YouTube videos and I'll make $1 million. It takes a while to actually get ads on your videos. You're going to have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time in a 12-month period. That's before you can even apply to have ads run on your videos. But wait, you don't have to wait for that. You don't have to, because in the description below, I have a course that's a $97 course you get absolutely free. You can find that in the description down there. You opt in for that, you're going to get on my list, and once you get on my list, I can email you other things I have for sale, other courses to help you. And that's one way of making money. Okay, so I didn't get that channel monetized, I just put a link down there. The other things you can do is your affiliate links. You can put all your affiliate links below your video, so when people click on it, you're going to get paid on that. You can actually put products that you want to sell down there in your description. They watch your video, they like what you got, they click on your link, they buy your product. There's a lot of ways to make money on YouTube outside of just getting monetized with ads. That traffic that they're driving, you using that description below there, you can make a lot of money. You just got to do it, and it's going to be time consuming. I'm telling you, YouTube's going to be time consuming. Today I'm shooting 10 videos. I just sit here today and make 10 videos. Now they're not going to all go out today. I'm going to do 5 this week and 5 the next week, but that way I only have to do it every 2 weeks. I shoot my videos, they're ready, I have an editor, he gets them up on YouTube and gets it done. You won't have an editor in the beginning. You got to do all this yourself, just like I did. Okay, everybody starts out that way. The next thing you can do, and I've done a lot of this, is create an online course. Online courses are awesome. You're going to need a platform to build it on. I'm going to suggest you use Kartra. Why? Because it's the best. It's just the best. Okay, you can put your videos there, you can do your marketing there, you can do your email marketing there, you can do your sales pages there. What I'll do is I'll put a link in the description down there for Kartra, and the link is going to take you to a page where a video just plays. Okay, and that video will explain everything that Kartra does, every single thing, and you're going to want it. And when you get it, guess what? If you use my link down here, you can get it for $1 trial, $1 trial. So check out Kartra. That's going to be the place where you build your digital courses. Next thing, publish a book. You're like, oh, book, oh my God, I can't even read a whole book. No way could I write one. You can, and here's the good part about books. Most people that get an ebook or a printed book nowadays want a short one. They want like 40 pages, 60 pages. Okay, they don't want a lot, and that's not that hard to do. You can just do an outline. You can talk it into, I talk it into my phone, and I can send that file to somebody and they can type it into text, and I've got my book. It's really that simple. I use something like rev.com that will transcribe this for me. So it's rev.com. You can use that. They'll transcribe any audio file into a written file. You could hire an editor if you want, get it fixed up. If you don't want to edit it yourself, you can go to Upwork, you can go to freelancer.com, find a good editor, they can edit it, and then you can publish it. You can publish it as an ebook. You can go to Amazon and they can publish it on demand and actually print out books for you, or you could buy 100 of them or 50 of them or whatever you want to actually sell online. But books are a great way to make some money and also get you known, because if you got a book on a particular subject, you're automatically thought of as an expert. So having that book is essential to your future and really building your brand. Next thing you can do is consider freelancing. And what I mean by freelancing is taking some of your talents and offering those to somebody else who doesn't need a full-time employee. They just need a job done. Maybe it's data entry. Maybe people want you to type stuff into your computer. Maybe you're good at graphics. Maybe you can do graphic stuff. Maybe you're good at accounting. Maybe you know how to do sales stuff. Maybe you want to do customer support. Whatever it is, you can go to something like freelancer.com or upwork.com and put your services out there for people, and you can instantly be making money doing all kinds of different tasks. And if you don't know some of these tasks, you can learn them You go to YouTube, you're at YouTube right now learning stuff, right? You can pretty much learn any of these tasks that are performed on these sites that are freelance type sites. Hey, do you like to write? Are you into writing? Well, if you are, you can become a writer. There's thousands, hundreds of thousands, millions of businesses that need content for their website. You could go to one of these sites like Upwork or freelancer.com and offer your services as a writer, and it's really pretty simple. No matter what the subject, you can research it online and pretty much write about that subject. It's not hard to do. You can do this anywhere, anytime. You know, you can do it watching TV, you could be doing your writing sitting on the couch. You know, it's really easy to do, and if you enjoy writing anyhow, and there's a huge need for it out there, you could be a content writer. Next up, do translation work. Whatever your language is. I'm hoping it's English because you're listening to this video, but even if that's not your primary language, if you speak another language, you can translate. So maybe you know Spanish and English, so you can translate Spanish into English, or vice versa, or German or Russian, or whatever it is. You know, if you know another language, and this isn't for everybody, obviously not everybody speaks 2 languages or 3 or 4 or whatever it is, but for those of you who do, this is extremely helpful. There's a huge need for it out there, especially if you're an English speaker and you understand other languages. There's tons of companies that want to market in the US. They want to put their products up on Amazon. They want to have web pages that are written in English. If you know English and you can translate from another language, you're in the driver's seat. All you have to do is go to one of these sites like Upwork, or go to Freelancer or something. I keep saying those, but there's tons of them out there, and look for translation jobs, and you can do that and make money. Next up, be an online tutor. Can you teach things? Can you teach languages? Can you teach math? Can you teach history? There are so many positions now for online tutors, and what with COVID-19, a lot of people have to learn from home now. A lot of kids are learning from home now. A lot of college students are learning from home now. What really helps is when you go to one of these sites where you're going to be tutoring, and you can start off at freelancer.com, but you can just type in online tutor and you'll find plenty of sites that will pay you to tutor. But you want to highlight all your credentials. So if you've got a bachelor's degree, or you've got a master's degree, or a PhD, make sure you highlight that in there. That will get you more jobs. That's the one thing they say, that if you've got these advanced degrees and you put that up there and you're a tutor, you not only will get more business, but you'll also get people to pay you more money. So if you want to stay home, or you want to sit in a coffee shop all day long and just tutor people, you can also do that, and there's no investment necessary. Now maybe you just like doing tasks for people. Become a virtual assistant. Virtual assistants are huge now. So many companies hire them, so many individuals hire them, and I think the thing with being a virtual assistant that turns some people off is that you're going to do a bunch of tasks, but you're not going to make a whole lot of money. A virtual assistant may pay you $100, $200, $300 a week, and you say, well, that's not much money. But here's the truth, and a lot of virtual assistants who make a lot of money know this: they don't just have one client. They have several clients. Okay, so imagine you get $200 a week to be a virtual assistant for somebody, but you've got 10 people that are paying you $200 a week. You see how that adds up? Now you say, well, maybe I can't do all the tasks, I won't be able to do all the tasks. Test it out. Find an individual, find a company, start doing tasks for them, let them pay you, see how much time it takes you, and you'll quickly figure out what you can and can't do. And it's okay to drop a client if it's too much work for what they're paying you, and move on to somebody else, and get it adjusted where you have a few people paying you to where you can make a good living. Next up, sell your photography. Are you good at taking pictures? Do you like taking pictures? There are so many stock photo sites now, and those sites need pictures. You can go just type in stock photo site, and you can go to any of these sites and say, hey, I want to have my pictures on your site. And the way it works is when people download your pictures, you get a royalty fee. So if you like doing pictures on different subjects, different things, a lot of these people will specialize. They like take food photos, they will take mountain scene photos, or they'll take portrait photos. But these photos, when you put them out there like iStock Photo or whatever site you decide to go to, they can be paying you night and day. So if you've got all these photos and they're cool photos, and the one thing I'll tell you is you want super high definition. People need super high definition photos, so make sure you got a good camera to do this. This is probably not something you're going to do on your iPhone, though iPhones are pretty good right now, but make sure you got a really great camera and the photos are really high quality and high definition, and you can make money doing that too. Now some of you out there, well, you're kind of artsy, aren't you? You can do all kinds of design stuff, can't you? well, why not be a graphic designer online? There's plenty of sites like Freelancer and Upwork and all those that need designers in there. People need designs for websites, they need designs for t-shirts, they need designs for their logos, and you can do that. Matter of fact, you can actually buy logo programs that will design the logos for you, and you can go out and design logos for people and use a software to do it. You don't even have to be a graphic designer anymore. You can use softwares to do this. These companies don't know that, and they'll happily pay you $50, $100, $200 for a nice logo that you maybe bought a software for $27 that can do it. So that's a very profitable way of going about it too. So those are some of the ideas you can do to immediately make money online. You don't need a lot of expertise, and the only one I would say immediately make money online, the YouTube one, you can, because you can put links below your video. So yeah, you can technically make money online immediately. However, I will tell you that if you want to get monetized, that's going to take some time. Now I also promised you to tell you my story about how I started selling online, and it's not a straight path, guys. It really isn't. It isn't like, you know, I'm going to sell this item, I'm going to make a lot of money for a lot of years. It doesn't work that way. I started off selling cell phone cases online. I was on eBay, and this was 2009, and I didn't do well. I will tell you that right now. I would sell them and make 20 or 30 cents on a phone case, which seemed utterly ridiculous, and it was. And the bad thing was I didn't sell all the inventory I bought, because back then they didn't have any drop shipping, and I would have to buy 100 cell phone cases, and I've told the story over and over again. But I was a total failure at it. I mean, I didn't do well, but I did learn how to use eBay to sell stuff. I did learn how to transfer money. I did learn how to write ads. I learned from it. And that's what I would tell you, is when you start doing one of these things, it's going to teach you other things. Okay, currently, you know, all these years later, I own a survival food company that's a branded survival food company. That's a big jump from cell phones, but it wasn't a direct jump. It was cell phones, and then some camping products, and then selling other people's survival food, and then coming up with my own survival food. I didn't have a clear path. I just knew I wanted to make money, and I wanted to quit my job. That's all I knew. Okay, and if you feel the same way, you want to make money and quit your job, just get started with something, and you'll learn. Every time you do something, every day that you do something, you're going to learn a little bit more and a little bit more, and force yourself to do a little research each day to learn the new stuff that's coming out. Like Kartra, the software that you got to get, there's a description link down there. You got to get Kartra. I didn't know about Kartra when I first started. You know why? It wasn't invented. Things change. Okay, so I use Kartra now. You can click that link below and see what Kartra is going to do for you. It'll do everything for you. It'll do all your marketing. It'll do your emails, your sales pages, courses, whatever you want to do. Click the link down there. You don't have to buy anything. You don't have to put in a credit card, your email, nothing. Just watch the video. Watch the video from Kartra down there. Now once you watch that video, if you are interested, when you use my link, it's my affiliate link, you can get a trial for only $1. So check that out. If you don't have any software to market yet, you need it. If you do have software to market with right now, but it's not Kartra, switch it. I'm serious, switch it. Kartra is so much better. I don't even know what you have, but I've tried a lot of them. Kartra is really great. That's how I started selling online. And now, you know, now I have a YouTube channel, I have survival food, I have courses, I've done coaching, done all these different things, but none of those things I had in my brain in 2009. None of those things. I didn't know they existed. I didn't know anything about them. But the thing is, once you get involved, if you're motivated, you're excited. I mean, I wake up excited every day. I can't wait to get into this stuff and do this stuff. It's fun. I'm making money and I don't have to answer to anybody. That's pretty cool. And once you've done that and you've gotten a taste of that, you're going to want to do more of that. That's how I am. I want to do more of that because I don't want to answer to anybody. I don't like that. It's not my thing. Okay, so guys, check it out. Try one of these things, get you started. You know, it may not be the thing you stay with. I didn't stay with selling cell phone cases. That's okay. It'll get you started. It'll get you making money, get you a taste of it, open your eyes, and you'll have a new future, I promise, if you keep working at it. Put your comments and suggestions below. I want to hear about what you're working on. I want to hear about what your successes are. I want to hear what your questions are. Don't forget to like, yay, or not like, and subscribe, and ring the bell. Turn on bell notifications. Okay, when you ring the bell, you become part of my family, the Fisher family, the VIP group that gets notified every single time I do one of these videos. So you want to make sure that you do that. I also have a $97 course that you can get. How much? Absolutely free. It's down in the description below. You can grab that course and be off and running, man. Do it. All right, thank you so much for listening to this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Hey, thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click that little bell right there so you can be notified every time I do a new video. Also, click on one of those videos there. Keep watching on my channel.